Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to record the servo's movement, okay, and resend them to the servo using Python programming language and Arduino Uno. So let's jump to the Arduino Uno's code. This is the code for the Arduino Uno. First we import the servo library, then we initialize the servo. We attach the servo to pin number 4. Pin number 4. This is my Arduino Uno. And then we initialize the serial. If the serial is available, read the value, put the value on the servo. That's it for the Arduino Uno. And for Python we need to install this library is serial. Its name is PySerial. Sorry, it's PySerial. Okay, this is PySerial. You need to download it and install it. Then we need to import the tkinter library. This tkinter is already in Python. We need to initialize the tkinter, the window of the tkinter. So window is equal to tk. Then we initialize the width and height of this window, the background of the window. Then we need to initialize the serial. So serial is connected to COM3 in my Arduino. So my Arduino is in port number 3. The baud rate is 9600. Timeout is 5. This timeout is not important in this case. So we need to make one scale bar or track bar, okay, or track bar. This is the scale in tkinter. Then we need two functions. One to send the value, because first of all we need to send the value to the servo, okay, and watch the movement. In that time we will record those movements to the text file, okay, this text file. After that we will display we will resend the values to the servo using this function. If you noticed here we have this delay. This delay is very important, okay, and also we need one character, okay, right here. This character is like if you want to use mini servo motors, so you need to put the letters before the value, okay. I only have one value right here, so we need delay, like a big delay, when we send the data from the file after we record them. So let's see how. I will delete this. So you see the text file is empty now. So you see here we have the track bar. If I move the track bar, you see the servo is moving. I have some delay here because I am recording using IP webcam, okay. You see here, now we have some values right here. First is 0 and 19, 90. It's like this. This is the steps that we send to the servo. So right now I will comment this send and uncomment the send from file, and let's see. You see the servo is moving now by itself. It will do the steps continuously, okay? It will not stop. So yeah, that's it. If you want the servo to move very fast, you can change this value, like put small value here, small number. Okay, that's it for today. In the next video I will try to put many servos, okay, and control them in using this method. And that's all. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time.